Every day, people struggle with anxiety, depression, grief, addiction, identity, family conflict, and the weight of simply being a human. They need professionals who can listen deeply, think critically, and respond ethically and compassionately. If you're called to understand people, support healing, and make a real impact, the MS in Clinical Psychology is for you.
I always thought I could be a great help to others.
I knew when psychology was for me when I started to realize the genuine connections I was making.
I would say I knew psychology was for me kind of over a culmination of moments. I've really always had people coming to me for advice, looking to just talk about big things in their life. I chose Barry's program over others because I really loved the ratio of students to teachers. It was very personalized to me. That was a really big sell for me.
Professors have been my favorite part of this program. They see you, they know who you are, and they work with you to get you to be better.
Students in our program have an exceptional opportunity for enthusiastic learning. They do a 700-hour internship in all of our classes, such as group therapy. They are actually in live modeling situations, and we encourage them to get as much experience as they possibly can and to process that with their professors.
Clinical psychology is a discipline that is grounded in the science practitioner model, meaning we use the best and the latest research and combine it with our well-known evidence-based treatments to treat the population.
I feel as though this program has really trained me to change my attitude and my mindset from just being a student to becoming a professional in training.
The main way my professors have supported my growth would definitely be through descriptive feedback, whether that would be a paper or through mock therapy. They go into depth with the feedback, not just correcting small things like grammar or giving you a grade, but they want you to succeed, so they give you in-depth feedback that is personalized to you, and that has been very valuable to me.
My breakthrough moment is being able to translate what I'm learning in these classes to the real world.
Prospective students need to know that our program is rigorous and it's intensive, but it's also experiential, and you'll get all the skills that you need to be a successful, competent therapist.
Students in our program, when they graduate, very often go on to doctoral programs in which they have the opportunity to really perfect the knowledge that we have started them out with.
I want to be a clinical psychologist to make a difference in the lives of others.
I want to be a clinical psychologist because I believe there is a space needed for faith-based therapy.